Hi, my name is Alex Dimitriu. I'm the owner at Silicon Psych. I am board certified in psychiatry and sleep medicine. So what's really important to do during the day to maintain good sleep at night, you want to try to wake up at the same time each day. Once awake, you want to stay vertical. You want to have as much activity as possible during the day. Avoid laying down in bed and avoid working in your bedroom or being horizontal on a couch during the day. Exercise is tremendously important. Getting some level of aerobic activity during the day can also have a great impact on sleep. Caffeine is best avoided later than noon. Stimulants as well. Anything stimulating later than the afternoon will generally have a negative impact on sleep at night. Large meals should be avoided at night, too close to bedtime. We often advise both exercise, large meals, as well as alcohol should really not be done within the 3 hours before you intend to fall asleep. It's important at night to also limit your use of electronic devices. Blue screens, which are often found on tablets, smartphones. These devices emit blue light, which can suppress melatonin, and these devices are also interactive and a little too much fun, and that can keep people up for hours. We often recommend people just read a book in a dimly lit room, or it can be in the bedroom, and just allow sleep to happen. If you're unable to do so, we say, you're supposed to lay in bed and try for about 20 minutes, do some deep breathing, try to relax, try to clear your mind, let go of anxious thoughts. But in the event that you're not able to fall asleep, in about 20 minutes, we'll often say the best idea is to get out of bed, sit in another room with dim light and something relaxing like a book, and kind of do that until you feel sleepy. And once you feel sleepy again, get back in bed and try to fall back asleep. The last thing you want to do at night is also work or do anything overly stimulating or exciting, because that's basically rewarding yourself for not sleeping, and it encourages a pattern of insomnia because your brain learns that you can get work done if you're not sleeping at night. Everybody suffers from insomnia sometimes. It's normal, and fortunately a lot of us are able to recover from it. If you're thinking about insomnia or you're trying to improve your ability to fall asleep at night, it's important to remember that the day is a rhythm, and it's as important what you do during the day as what you do during the night. It's also important to really create that window so that you can sleep at night. And at the end of the day, it's also important to remember sleep is a bit of a Chinese finger trap. The harder you try to pull on it and force it, the worse it is. And in many cases, when people can learn to relax and allow sleep to come in on its own, it actually happens naturally quite well.